Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Refractory ceramic fiber is a material that can insulate in a high-temperature environment. Today, we are with Ohio Industrial Sales Incorporated in Twinsburg, Ohio. For over 40 years, Ohio Industrial Sales has been a leading distributor and installer of high-temperature insulation products. Their steel fabrication, custom die cutting, which specializes in mold wrap kits for the investment die casting industry, and service contracting team serve ferrous, non-ferrous metals, ceramic, and related industries. Conveniently located in Northeast Ohio, their manufacturing facility can easily service not only the Ohio markets, but also the needs of customers nationwide. Their warehouse stocks a wide variety of refractory ceramic fiber products, such as blankets, boards, papers, and high-temperature textiles to quickly respond to their customers' refractory needs. Ohio Industrial Sales was built on the foundation of supplying the finest quality products and providing unparalleled service to their customers. They always insist on professionalism by their customer relations team, quality workmanship from their service department, and fast response to every customer's need. At Ohio Industrial Sales, they pride themselves on providing their customers with innovative and effective designs, excellent fabrications, quality materials, and expert installations. They are recognized as having the highest quality and longest-lasting ceramic fiber linings in the nation. Whether your job is simple or complex, their years of experience in the refractory industry means they've seen it before, and that is why their mantra is, "Nobody does it better." Come see them at ois2.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.